What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I've been doing my mentorship for 6 months now with live calls every single day, and I thought it is time to do a live meetup in person. Got people that have flown in from Puerto Rico, South Africa, Portugal and the Netherlands, and of course sunny London. So stay tuned in the video, enjoy it, and yeah, hope to see y'all one day.
None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold, digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold.
So today is simply, to share the ups, the downs, but also I'm just trying to be as honest as I can. Trading is that turbulent career. It's going to throw you emotions. But if you have something that keeps you at bay.
Digital, stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why, I never doubted me why, I never doubted my guys. You know you win it for win, I stand on 10.
Right guys, we had a really awesome morning. It went super quick. I ran through my personal journey, the ups, the downs, what it actually takes, managing funds, and yeah, more importantly, how to shape that mindset. We also did a bit of a show and tell, which was an opportunity for people to share stories. I got the opportunity to share some of my horror stories too, which was really, really good. This afternoon I have strategies and chart work planned, and as well as the current macro themes, psychology, crypto, where's crypto going next, is the bull run for crypto, and should you be investing now? So we're going to be speaking about that this afternoon, so do stay tuned. And if you have noticed, I am wearing the famous Donald Trump cap, the Make Trading Great Again, my version of it anyways. The store is now live, so go ahead and click the website link below. Go ahead and grab one of these caps. It is limited, especially the Life is Bullish one. So I hope to see you rocking it. Do tag me on social media. I'll put my social media handles around this video, and yeah, let's get this brand going. 51% of my position is taken into account for short, 48 long, providing an even split on the price, which is why I like trading the macro long short. You got some buyers at the time. Your job is to jump on the back.
My traders are getting in right here. They're already waiting.
You're the guy in the group that lifts everyone's spirits.
Is it?
Asking questions.
Oh, definitely. I feel humble now. I feel humble. Nice one, guys.
I was paid $500
Yeah. Yes.
Donald Trump hat, right?
No.
Denny, this one's for you. I think you deserve this. You put the work in. You really making the effort. So most improved, I think.
Yeah,
I don't think anyone can see that. So just keep going. Robin, your pips, this is for you. You've done extremely well. I've noticed your trading improve. I've obviously known you for a while. You're doing extremely well. I think the group missed you when you were away. So yeah.
And for helping out today.
That's it, and for having us here today. So yeah, cool. Thank you so much.
That's good. I really do. Yeah, no.
I need a drink now.
Yeah.
Tequila, bro.
Anyone want a shot of tequila?
Did you actually bring them on? Cheers.
You got one.
Great event, Marco. Thank you very much for inviting us. Good to meet all the guys in the Discord and meet you guys.
And more than anything else, I just wanted to shout out Marco for actually arranging the meetup. It's been a great meetup.
You help everybody when they need it. You're only a click away. So thank you for that.
Today was brilliant.
Just amazing community. Just a massive shout out to everyone that came today.
Today was amazing.
It's been amazing, such a good day. Meeting all the lads I speak to every day. Got the main man there, doing his job. Top bloke, he helped us all out. He's not just a mentor, he becomes our friend.
Right guys, wrapping up the meetup. It's been really, really good. This afternoon we ran through psychology, market strategies, and also, you know, it was a good little chance for everyone to network and really share their experiences on and off the charts, which is more important. And obviously now we're gonna go play some bowling, create a bit of a trophy for whoever wins. I hope it doesn't come back home with me. I know my bowling is fairly good, but I might just have to sink a few in the gutter and let someone else take the trophy home. But I hope you enjoyed watching this YouTube video, and yeah, I hope to see you at the meetup sometime.